Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I went to the spa to get my brows done. I went to get a micro blading for my brows. So you are going to be seeing the process on this video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Okay, please thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. Check out my other videos, and I trust you enjoy what you see. Okay, so guys, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I was so scared that it might be so painful, but I have to gather courage to go and do this, and I love every bit of this decision. Okay, because the stress of drawing my eye pencil, trying to make up, getting a good angle of the eye pencil on my brows is just like, is something else for me. So I decided, I gathered courage to go and do this on this day, and I'm proud that I did this. So if you're having a difficult time trying to get your brows done when you're making up, try and get this micro braiding. Trust me, you will love it. You will enjoy every bit of it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy this video. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the amazing support you guys have been giving me. Yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you, and my new subscribers as well. Join this family if you have not. Okay, so let me leave you guys to enjoy this video. This is my receipt. Yeah, I paid 700 TL rila. Yeah, so that's it. And I just apply this now on my brows now. So I should wait for some minutes before I'll come inside the room.
Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose. Yeah. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line. Peace. Looking for the love inside me. I don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Yeah. Think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny now I kinda like this life. I like this life. sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose. Yeah. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the mind piece. Looking for the love inside me.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, oh God, just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I've lost myself. What happened to me? Cause you're not my vibe, oh God, just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now.
I know. Oh, beautiful. My God. Sen çok güzelsin.
Thank you. Teşekkürler. Oh my God, thank you. So guys, this is the end, and she said I'll be using Vaseline on it, that after 20 days I should come back, let them see if it's actually okay or unhealed, that Vaseline will help it heal, and I shouldn't pour water on it for 2 days. Yeah, so how you guys doing? Hope you guys love it. Hope it's okay. Like, it was a little bit painful, I was shaky, it was sensitive and all that, but I'm okay, it's fine, all the pain has gone, and I know I'm looking so good. So tell me in the comment section how you feel, how you see this eyebrows. Can you want to say hi? Yeah. So she's the one that did it. Oh, thank you. These people are so nice. So I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.